While agencies pay $297 monthly for Go High Level, $97 for Calendly, and another $149 for phone systems, one free Google tool replaces all three. Google Gemini voice agents inside AI Studio run your entire front-end operation autonomously. And there is one workflow this enables that will end how solo operators compete with agencies. I am Paul James. I help people find leverage when resources are tight. I grew up building businesses from my brother's garage with zero budget. Tools like Google AI Studio are the leverage I wish I had back then. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what nobody tells you about Google Gemini voice agents. You can build a complete business operating system in under 30 minutes that handles customer intake, lead qualification, appointment scheduling, and follow-up sequences, all through one interface, all free. You go to astudio.google.com and sign in with any Google account. Click Conversational Voice Apps. You describe your entire workflow in plain English, no code. Picture a marketing consultant offering brand audits, strategy sessions, and implementation packages. You type exactly that. This agent needs to explain our 3 service tiers, qualify budget and timeline, book strategy calls, and send confirmation emails. Select Gemini Flash for speed or Gemini Pro for deeper reasoning. Click Build. In less than 20 minutes, you have a working system that understands context, handles objections, and moves prospects through your funnel. Here is the leverage point. You can test it immediately by starting a voice session. Talk to it like a real customer. See how it responds. If something sounds off, you just tell it what to change in normal language. Most people are paying $546 per month across 3 different platforms to do what this does for free. Read that again, $546 monthly. That is $6,552 annually. You are hemorrhaging for functionality Google just handed you at zero cost. But here's where most people mess it up. They think this is just for answering basic questions. Wrong. This is for running your entire client acquisition system. Here is what changed everything for me. I realized you could stack capabilities inside one agent that normally require separate tools: customer relationship management, appointment booking, lead scoring, email automation, payment collection. All of it lives in one conversational interface your prospects actually talk to. Now watch what happens when you deploy this. Google AI Studio gives you a shareable link you can text to prospects, embed on your website, or add to your email signature. The prospect clicks it. They are immediately talking to an AI that knows your pricing, understands your services, and can close them into a consultation. You did not pick up the phone. You did not check your calendar. The system handled it autonomously. This is what I call the Service Consolidation Engine. One agent, multiple functions, 0 monthly fees. The Service Consolidation Engine works because Google's Gemini models process multi-step workflows in real time. A prospect says they are interested in brand strategy. The agent asks about current revenue, target market, and timeline. Based on those answers, it recommends either the audit package or the full implementation. Then it books them into your calendar and sends pre-work questions. That entire sequence used to require Calendly for scheduling, HubSpot for lead scoring, and Zapier to connect everything. Total monthly cost across those 3 platforms, $296 minimum. You just eliminated that entire stack with one free Google tool. Let that sink in for a second. Here's the breakdown nobody talks about. Each Gemini voice agent can handle up to 47 different conversation paths simultaneously. That means one agent can manage brand audits, web design inquiries, SEO consultations, and content strategy calls. 4 different service lines, one interface. Most agencies need separate intake forms and different team members for each offering. You are doing it with automated intelligence that never sleeps. Picture a freelance web designer offering website builds, maintenance packages, and conversion optimization. They build a Gemini agent that qualifies every lead by asking budget range, site traffic, and conversion goals. Based on inputs, it routes prospects to the right service tier and books them with all needed context. What if you went from 11 hours weekly on intake calls to 0? That is 11 hours now spent on billable work. Think about what that means. If you bill $150 hourly, that is $1,650 in recovered capacity weekly, $66,000 annually, just from automating your front end with one free tool. But here is the part that separates beginners from professionals. You are not competing on time anymore. You are competing on access. Traditional agencies have business hours. 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Your Gemini agent works 24/7. A prospect in Sydney reaches out at 2 a.m. your time. They get immediate response, full qualification, and a booked consultation before competitors wake up. That is the unfair advantage. While they sleep, you close. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Okay, here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The real power is not in replacing human conversations. It is in eliminating the need for humans to do low-value screening work so you can focus entirely on high-value delivery. Most solo consultants waste 20 hours monthly just figuring out if prospects can afford them. Your Gemini agent does that in 3 minutes per conversation. You might think this only works for service businesses. Actually, product businesses crush it too. Imagine an Etsy seller offering custom invitations. They could build a Gemini agent that walks customers through paper options, design styles, quantity needs, and shipping timelines. The agent gives real-time price quotes and sends a PDF proposal. That is sales automation that used to require Shopify apps and quote builders costing $173 monthly. Now it could be free. Here is what I got wrong when I first tested this. I thought I needed to map out every customer question in advance. I spent 40 minutes writing this massive instruction document. Total waste of time. The agent learns context as conversation flows. You build the basic framework in 15 minutes, test with real scenarios, adjust what sounds off, and deploy. Most people overcomplicate the initial setup, which actually makes the agent more confused. Start with core questions, service interest, budget range, timeline, availability for consultation. That is it. Everything else the agent figures out through natural conversation. Now picture yourself as a freelance copywriter offering website copy, email sequences, and sales pages. You build a Gemini agent that asks prospects about their business model, conversion rates, and copy needs. Based on answers, it positions you for either one landing page or ongoing content. It books them into a strategy call and sends 3 writing samples relevant to their industry. You embed it on your website. Prospects at midnight get qualified, educated on your process, and moved into your calendar. You wake up to booked consultations with prospects who already understand pricing and saw relevant work. That is leverage. What becomes possible when you stop trading time for money and start deploying systems that work while you sleep? The pattern I keep seeing is that solo operators using this workflow compete directly with agencies that have intake coordinators and sales teams. The experience feels just as professional, but happens instantly instead of waiting for business hours. Speed beats polish when both deliver results. Stop and think about this for a second. What if every prospect who found you could immediately talk to an intelligent system that understands your business, answers their questions accurately, and moves them toward working with you? You are not researching tools anymore. You are building competitive infrastructure that agencies pay thousands monthly to maintain. Here's where everything clicks. Remember that workflow I mentioned at the beginning? This is it. The Service Consolidation Engine lets you replace your entire front-end tech stack with one free Google tool. Not because you are cutting corners, because Google built enterprise-level AI and made it accessible to solo operators. That is the window. Early movers right now are locking in advantages that will compound for years. Picture yourself 6 weeks from now competing for projects you could not access before because you can now deliver the same client experience as agencies with full teams. The prospect thinks you have coordinators and schedulers behind you. You are just one person with a free tool and the right workflow. That is what leverage looks like. Here is what your next 14 days look like if you start today. Week 1, you build your Gemini voice agent describing your service offerings and ideal client. You test it with 10 scenarios until it handles objections smoothly. Week 2, you deploy it on your website and send the link to your email list. You track engagement and refine based on real data. Or you can wait while everyone else builds these systems and watch the gap widen between operators who automate and operators who manually respond. 6 months from now, you will look back at this as the moment things shifted. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.